Hey everybody, this is Josh with More Machine Tool and Accurl USA. I'm here with Devin over at A1 Machine and Fabrication, Billings, Montana. Set up this 10-foot, half-inch shear for him. Hey Devin, what do you think of the machine and the process of getting it?
Oh, I think it's a pretty awesome machine. When it showed up on the truck, we were kind of surprised at how large it was. Once you get it down on the ground and start moving it in, it wasn't too bad. But we stuffed her in where we wanted it to be and got the wiring hooked up. And then you guys showed up and did all the installation, leveled it, ran us through the safety and training procedures, kind of did a few demonstrations with the machine. I thought it was pretty slick. And should be able to help us out quite a bit in the future with other jobs we get in from day to day.
Awesome. Well, it's a pleasure working with you guys, and hopefully everything works out awesome. If not, give us a call and we'll be there to fix it.
Will do. Thanks a lot.